Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Kia Soul check engine light. First, it's crucial to understand why the light came on. If you haven't already, consider having your car scanned for diagnostic trouble codes. Once you're ready to proceed, ensure your Kia Soul is parked safely on a level surface and the engine is completely off. This is a vital safety step before working with your vehicle's electrical system. Now locate your car's battery, usually under the hood. Identify the negative terminal, which often has a minus symbol and a black cap. Using a wrench, carefully loosen the nut on this terminal. Once loose, gently pull the negative cable away from the battery, ensuring it doesn't touch any metal parts. Keep it disconnected for at least 5 to 10 minutes to allow the car's computer to reset. After the waiting period, carefully reattach the negative battery cable to its terminal. Make sure it's seated firmly, then use your wrench to tighten the nut until it's secure. Double-check that there's no wiggle. Now, start your Kia Soul. Observe the dashboard to see if the check engine light has turned off. If it has, great. If not, there might be a more persistent issue. If the check engine light reappears after resetting, it indicates a persistent issue that requires professional attention. Simply clearing the light without addressing the underlying problem means it will likely return. A diagnostic scan tool can pinpoint the exact problem by reading specific error codes, guiding you or a mechanic toward the correct repair. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Addressing the root cause is key to keeping your Kia Soul running smoothly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.